Okay, here is a quick introduction to the AI generated lacrosse coach application. Starting from the top left area, we have the home team roster. This is where you can drag and drop players from your roster onto the field to set up their positions. It's super intuitive. Just select a player and place them where you want. For example, 3 attacks. 1, 2, 3. 3 attacks. Now, the only thing is, if you already placed attack 1 on here. If you try to do the second one, it will move it to that location. Will not allow you to put the same player position back on the field. For example, 2, it just moves it to where you dropped it. That's all. Alright, now, next we go to the away team roster. It's the exact same thing, works the exact same way. You drag and drop them on the field, but try to do the same player again, it just moves it, kind of thing. Okay, and that way you can do the home and the away team. Now, let's go all the way down. Tactile overlay sections. These just kind of like highlight areas, shot zones, wing areas. Just puts little, and the grid puts lines and shaded areas onto the area if you need them or want them. So that's just the tactile overlays. So from here, let's go down, let's start and look at the quick formations. These quick formations, this feature is just basically a time saver. We've got included in here is 6 preset layouts for common lacrosse formations. You can choose to apply these anyway as a home team, away team, or both of them, just through the drop down menu kind of thing. So right now, if I just hit both of them, boom, it'll put both of them. So if I clear the fields and I just do the home team, the same button, I'll just get the home. Or by delays, it'll just do the overlays. So you can also pick the home team from here and say you want the configuration of the layouts of this one, so you can pick and choose which layouts you want on there. So these are just 6 presets kind of thing. And that leads up into the drawing tool section. Okay, 3 buttons here. The select, you have to move a player, you have to have that button active, which is blue. Okay, once it's not active and another button's picked, you cannot move a player, but you can. The draw routes is a free form where you can just sit there and redraw. The only thing here is it will not draw over top of a player, so you got to stop and restart it. The drawing arrows basically draws straight arrows. It'll go whichever way you want to go, kind of thing. So that's for drawing arrows. Click it, it'll just draw the top of the arrow kind of thing, but never sure which way. So it's kind of just little tiny draws. It's better than just clicking it. And select if you want to move them again. Clear drawings just removes the drawings. So if I hit clear drawings, they're all gone. Okay. Finally, on the left side, we have the player timeline selection section, where you can bring strategies to life, kind of thing. Here you can set up multiple field layouts and link them into a sequence. Every 2 seconds, the app automatically transitions to the next play in the timeline, showing how your strategy unfolds. Okay. Now, for example, if I go here, this is the start. And you can give it a name, start, you don't have to. Spaces don't work in start, so you can say start 1 or whatever, but it'll give a name. Hit next, that gives you your next formation. It basically copies the current formation into the next formation is what it's doing. So if I move these guys around a little bit, you will notice that if I jump back, jump forward, I see the 2 different ones, and I can do that for a different ones. So here, here, here. Just move some things around for now. Not really doing any strategy here, but okay. Same thing, it just copied it over. Now, what I can do on an individual thing here is I can say, oh, I want to draw some routes in here, kind of thing. You can draw on this, do whatever, you know, all kind of things. Just want to show you something. So now, if I got this laid out and I hit a plus, it basically copies everything over. So if I jump back and forth, nothing. Now, if I go here and I say clear drawings, I'm just clearing it on the one that's highlighted. So if I jump back, it's still on the last one, gone on the new one, kind of thing. Okay? And then you can come in here, do another one, whatever. You can sit there and say, draw me some arrows. So I'll go throw it to here. This guy throws it to here. He throws it here. He throws it here. He throws it here. Oops. He throws it here. And then he throws it into the goal, kind of thing. And hit a plus. Clear the drawings. You notice that they're on the old one and not the new one, kind of thing. So, anyway, and then if I go back up here, click the first one, hit this play button every 2 seconds. Boom, boom, boom. That's the 2 seconds. Boom, boom, kind of thing. Okay. If I notice, I think one didn't get saved, so if I go here, I don't think that arrow got saved, so I might have to come back and re-put it in there, kind of thing. Why is that in there? Yeah, it looks like a little bug. I'm not sure why. I think it might only be 4. I have to check. It might only have a limited number in here. So, either way, you only have a limited number of drawings, I think. I'll check. But, put it back on the save, and you can run it. Boom. Every 2 seconds. Boom, 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 boom. And if you notice, it goes in there. Boom. Okay. Same thing. Click on now. What I can do, once I get mine laid out, you hit the save play button. And so go in here and go XXX play. Hit OK. Hit OK. Now, if you notice, the clear field clears the field, but it doesn't clear the timeline. To reset all, to clear that, you need to hit reset all. Hit OK, and then that clears everything. So when I come back in here, and I load that XXX play that we just built, hit OK, OK, and then I hit play, you'll notice that everything got saved, and I reloaded it, and it's running. Okay, so that is what we're working on there. The other thing too is if you hold the control key down and you use the scroll button, you can, it scales, it really comes in nice and clean. You can make a larger screen. Control it back and down there, that's 100%. You just increase it to what you like to see. Alright, that's it. That's an overview. There's maybe some little bugs need to work out, I'm not sure, but everything else seems to be working. Alright, that's it.